Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Ola Uplands. Thank you again for joining me for this wonderful video. I know I'm a little bit late to this one. I was supposed to post this video for you guys last week, but your boy got into a lot of things, so it's been a very long week. But anyway, I apologize for being late on this. But without further ado, we got the Jordan 4 white cement. You can see it right there. It's got the black lid. Oh, I got it upside down. I'm gonna flip that over. So you got the black lid and the basically the cement main box over there. So I'm gonna just flip it. You can see the Jumpman right there with the flight right there. So I'm gonna put that to the side. And then this is a size 10. I wear this as a size 10. Let me show you the details right there so you can read it. Okay. That's it. If you need to get the details, just pause it and then you can read the old detail. I'm not going to bore you with that. So we want to get to the shoe. We got the shoe right there. And if you peel that paper back, which is the cement paper, damn, that looks really fresh. You can see the Jordan 4 white cement right there. Man, I basically got this from the sneaker app, and gosh,
Nice.
I just got lucky because basically I just like I did try to get the raffle. I entered the raffle on DTLR and Foot Locker, but I didn't get it. So it is what it is. But I was lucky to get it on the sneaker app, and I'm really happy because I've wanted to add this to my collection for a very long time. So guys, let me take it out of the box so you guys see what it looks like. 1, 2, 3, bam! That's it right there. You got the Jordan 4 white cement, and it's got the orange tag right there. You can see right there how nice this is looking. I am really happy I got this so I can add it to my collection. Man, I'm so happy to add this to my collection. So let me bring the other foot out and I'll put the box aside so we could talk about the materials right here. Okay. Put the box right here. Okay, so right there, let me give you like a quick 360 on that. You can see that's the Jordan 4 white cements. All right, and the back right there, you can see that Nike Air that everybody loves on the Jordan 4 right there. So yeah, so going straight to the bottom, you can see they've got the Nike swoosh right there in red, and on top of that you got the white pod right there and the black over there, and another red in the front foot right there, and then on the top you got like the gray, and the back there's a gray right there as well. So right off the bat, the leather is not bad. I think it's cool. It's what they did is the shape and the leather, they try to make it as close as possible to the OG one. So I like the shape and I like the leather. It's not, I wouldn't say it's like super soft, but it's not super hard at the same time. It's not bad. I like it. You know, it looks nice. So you can see at the midsole, they've got like the black right there. You know, they've got the gray mix in there as well, and the gray over near the midsole and the toe box right there. So and you got the air right there. You know, you can see through. It's like a gray. The toe box is all white, and this is a all leather shoe. There's no surprise there. The laces is white as well. The waffle, which I really like on the Jordan 4, is all white as well. The front toe box, the waffle there too, is the same, all white. And then the back, you could see the Nike Air right there. It's got the speckling on the Nike Air as well. If you look closely, I don't know if you guys can see that, but on the Nike Air, there's the cement speckling, the dark speckling all over there. So, and this is a gray as well. And this is actually not super hard. You know, I do like the SB ones better though, but this is not bad at all. It's nice. And you know, I've been wanting to, you know, add this my collection for a very long time, and I'm really happy I'm able to do it. I'm very excited for this. So, and of course, I'm going to be doing an on feet for you guys so you can see exactly how it looks on feet. So, yeah. So, the tongue as well is white, and he's still got that red Jordan and black fly on the bottom. The sock liner is white, and the inside right there of the tongue is black right there. So yeah, so that's about it. So guys, that is that for you guys on the Jordan 4 white cement. I know I'm a bit late, but like I said, my apologies, but you know, it's better late than never. Thank you so much for joining me, and if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel and like the video and punch that notification button to know when we upload a brand new video. So guys, tell me what you guys think about this shoe. Comment in the section. Let me know if you're feeling it, if it's a cop for you. For me, it's a must-have. It's definitely a cop. I already copped it. And by the way, tell me what you guys think about the Opulence Cave. Now that we are all set up, it's still a work in progress. They're not completely set up, but very soon everything should be set up. We should be completely good to go. But so far so good. Right now we are around about 80%. So yeah, we're still working out to make sure, you know, everything is situated. So thank you guys again for joining. Don't forget, stay tuned for the On Feet. All our Opulence out.